In this video, we are going to show you how to create structured research boards in Poppy AI. Now, to do this, I'm going to just go over the gist of how to do this. So open a new board, right? Or use an existing one that you're not using. So creating structured research boards, you have a board, you create several groups, and you put all the media, right? All the important stuff in each group that is related to that group. You connect it to a Poppy chat and you prompt it the way you want it, what you're looking for. Maybe you want to research about, gas emissions in Indonesia, or you want to create study about different things, right? You can also create a mind map and create your main and just input here on the main topic your main topic, right? And just connect it to, you can actually connect it to afterwards to your Poppy chat if you want. There's so many ways to go about this, but I'm going to give you the shortcut, which is go back to your dashboard, right? On your dashboard, look towards your left hand side, click on templates. Now this is where we're going to look for something specific, right? What research board or what structure do you need? What are you researching about, right? Because you scroll down, there's a lot of options here, right? So you can get money model launch template. You can have, there's a lot here, right? Strategies, ad performance analysis and adjustments. This is a good one, right? If you're into social media marketing, maybe you want to have this structure. So how do we use this? All we need to do is click this, right? It's going to load up the template so we can see what it looks like, right? So wait for it to load. All right, there you go. So already we have there a structured research board that we can use, and we can just pretty much customize and use the way we want it to. So how do we go about this? It says here on the right hand side, template view only, use template. So if you want to use it, click on this. Now it's creating a new board for us to use this template now. As you can see here, it's loading up. There you go. We have the same thing. Now we can use it. So if we zoom in, right, and see here, key marketing metrics. So everything has it for us. So we have setting up Facebook lead form. So we have everything here, right? Ad performance metrics guide. So we already have a guide here that we can open. We have a Poppy chat. We have a diagnose ad metrics prompt. We have notes. So must have minimum 200. So everything here is already set up for us as a research board. And again, just go to the templates and see what you can look for or what you can find for your specific need, right? So this is pretty much it. This is a shortcut, right? If you don't like anything here, you can just use another one, or you can just, again, like what I said, customize the way you want it to. So that's how you do it. If you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link we have provided in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.